Hi, welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory from Lily's Design, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these vinyl decals with TeckWrap adhesive vinyl. But before we get started, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this product. This is the bubble-free holographic rainbow adhesive vinyl. The bubble-free vinyls have an air release channel that prevents the bubbles on decals. They have a high gloss, as you can see here, so they are high quality, no bubbles, and no residues left. For the transfer tape, I'm going to be using this medium tag transfer tape from TeckWrap. It has this black grid that helps in the accurate placement of the vinyl design on the surface. It also doesn't leave any residues and is really easy to use. With all being said, let's go ahead and do our project. Let's open Silhouette Studio to make our design. I'm going to add my design. So I'm going to File, Merge, and add this heart. That is the one I'm going to be using for this project. I will make it like 2 inches. So here's my design, but I don't want it to be just the outline. So I'm going to right click on top of my design and choose this option right here, Release Compound Path. And it will separate the outline. I want to work with this part of the heart, so I will choose it, Group, and I will take color. Let's make this one blue. We're going to duplicate this design. Let's put this one pink. That is the other color that we're going to be working. So now I'm going to click on this icon right here. That is for adding text. And I'm going to be writing the text that I want on my hearts. Let's choose the color fill for the text. I'm going to choose the white, and let's change the font. Remember that it can be a super thin font because we're going to cut it. When we have a text like this, you can see here that some of the letters are overlapping others and they are separated. We are going to click on top of the text, right click, and we're going to choose this option right here, the weld option. And as you can see, all the letters that were separated are united now. And now I'm going to put it on top of my heart, just like this. Look how pretty it looks. And I'm going to keep adding the text for my other hearts. Now I'm going to separate the hearts. I'm going to put right here the ones that are going to be blue and the ones that are going to be rose gold. And I'm going to go to send. So right here are the settings of the vinyl cutting. These are the ones that I use. So let's place the vinyl on the cutting mat and let's send it to cut. Now I'm going to be cutting both of the adhesive vinyls to place it on the cutting mat. Before I place them on the cutting mat, I'm going to remove the protective film. While the words cuts, I'm going to show you the hearts. I love reading with this pen because it's so easy and fast. I will now cut the hearts so we can paste the words on top of them. There we go. I will be using first this small piece of transfer paper to paste the words on top of my hearts. Let's take this one first. And with my TeckWrap squeegee, did that. And now I'm going to paste it on top of my heart. Here's how it looks like. I really love this color. Now let's keep doing the other ones. This looks so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. You can use these decals for decoration or a gift. Look how beautiful they turn out. I cut them a little bit so they are more in the center. And now I'm going to apply the transfer paper. So I'm going to cut it over here. And that's enough for the hearts. I'm going to take the transfer paper from the backing and I will paste it right here. Let's do the other ones too. And here's the final result of our vinyl decals. Here I have my machine and I'm going to be pasting this one over here. Let me know in the comments if you like this video or have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you find out every time we have a new video. See you in the next one. Bye!